YouTube, what's going on today, man? Today is finally it. Season 4 has finally been out, and they already changes the new different barrels. They kind of fuck around with the barrels, and they changed like some of the attachments, like the XM4 with the Task Force. Like it has a bullet velocity, more damage range, and strap speed, but they kind of like fuck around with it. So like now it has like more damage into it. But the new guns, they're finally here, and we're gonna talk about the C58, the MG82, and a nail gun. That's right, a nail gun. It hits really hard. There's like 3 ways you could do it. One, you can either go to multiplayer, get 5 kills with the specials, get like 15 completed matches. Yeah, you cannot like exit out once you get the 5 kills. You gotta stay there for like a whole completed matches. Trust me, I witnessed that before about the Carve 2. It kind of sucked. But anyway, the second one, I don't know what this means, but like you gotta reach a like 12 world outreach and all that, and a bundle. There you go. So today we're gonna use a nail gun today in this gameplay. Hope you guys like it, and hey, give me a favor. Like the video and drop a like down the comment saying like what is your favorite part of this season. Alright then, I'll see you then. I'll see you in the next time in the next video. Peace and love, baby.
You're right. Down one. They're right in front.
I'm moving.
Watch him.
Friendly recon's online.
UAV entering the AO.
Our team's in a safe zone.
Alright, go after him, go after him. We gotta go.
Be advised,
He's in
UAV
bird, he's
is
in
bingo
bird.
fuel. RTB for resupply.
There's another one somewhere.
Fucking hell.
Movement!
I can't do much, I can't do much.
There you go.
Down. Alright.
Mark the target.
Alright, come to me. You're safe.
Friendly recon's online.
UAV entering the AO.
Oh, right here.
I'm moving.
Watch me. I need help. He's going around. Did he just die?
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel.
No, this dude just
RTB
died.
for resupply.
Marking target. You're cleared hot.
This is Striker 3-1, good copy. Strike inbound.
Enemy UAV.
Impact, no joy.
I down one of them. Rich. Come on, help me, help. One more second.
They're shooting at me! Contact!
Setting
Contact!
Enemy contact.
This is the Gulag. Survive and you can redeploy. You win this fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done here. Time to earn your freedom, soldier.
I might lose this one.
Going back to the front line. Not
Come on, peek out, buddy. Come on, peek out. Peek out again. I dare you. I triple dog dare you. Come on, we gotta go through. We gotta go through. We gotta go.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Come on, we gotta go in.
Gas is inbound.
I broke the one in the house. Hey, we gotta
Our
move to
team's in a
different
safe
house.
zone.
We gotta move to this one.
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy dropping into the AO.
Target right here.
Got one.
Only 25 left. Keep up the good work. Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh shit.
Saved your ass on that one.
I down one.
Our team's in a safe zone. Frag out. Take.
Oh no, Richard! He's one shot. Richard, come up, come up, come up. He's one shot, one shot, one shot, one shot.
Throwing grenade.
Outside. Richard, you gotta leave. Gas. Look on here. Go behind that wall. 1v1, 1v1.